guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence Tiara here, and today I'm going to be coming to you guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Essence Tiara here. For all of my new subscribers, welcome to my page, welcome to my channel. For all of my other subscribers, welcome back to your gang. I'm gonna be coming to you guys today with a try on haul. This is like my second try on haul, and I actually really like these. Like, I like ordering clothes and then trying them on so that you guys know, you know, what I get and what's cute. Alrighty guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into this video. Ordered a couple of things from Prettylittlething. I know a lot of you guys have started shopping from Prettylittlething. I really like Prettylittlething clothes. They kind of remind me of like Forever 21, but they're a little bit cheaper if you get the ones that are on sale. And then two, I don't know, like, it's just so cute. Okay, so the very first piece that I got from Prettylittlething is actually this shirt that I have on right now. I got this in a size 10. I don't know, I think that it is a little bit too tight for me, just in the boob area. But you know, we still rocking it though. But that's okay, because you know, when I go somewhere, I just gotta walk like, I can't, you know, I can't do too much or anything like that because it's real tight. I do have a lot of breasts up top. If you guys cannot tell, I am actually a 40, 30, 38 double D. Something double D. So if you're a double D, then don't get the size 10 if you're gonna order this top. I definitely would have went up a notch to like a 12 so that it'll fit more comfortably, but I don't know. I still think the shirt is cute. It still fits, and you know, I'm making it work. It's like a tiger stripe shirt, and then it has the cute little tassels down on the bottom, which is actually my favorite part. And then obviously if you want to tie them up right here, of course you can. But yep, and you can wear these with jeans or shorts or a skirt. I paired mine with the skirt. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that, but if you don't, here's a picture right here with me with it on the shorts, and it was actually really cute. Alrighty, the next thing I ordered are these shorts. These are like biker charcoal type of shorts. They're called charcoal sling long shorts. I got these in a 14. Could have went a little bit smaller. Real quick story, I ordered some leggings from them before and I got the size that I think I was supposed to be, which is like an 8. But I wasn't an 8. I thought a 14, but I'm not a 14, so I must be like a 10 or a 12. Next time I'm gonna order like one of those sizes, because the 14 is a little baggy right here. I don't know what I'm gonna wear these with or why I'm gonna wear these, but I'm gonna figure something out. But I like them. I like the color of them. So yeah, that's kind of why I ordered these. Okay, I know y'all probably tired of me wearing this shirt, but I really like it. The next thing that I ordered is this leopard, or like, is it leopard? Yeah, leopard print strappy cup detailed jumpsuit. And I got this in a size 10. I haven't tried this on, hopefully it fits. I've really been feeling the animal print lately, you know, just feeling like I'm an animal in the safari. I've really been feeling it, so I don't know, let's see. Oh, I can see already that it doesn't allow you to adjust the little backs of them, but I don't know. We're gonna try it out. Okay, here is this one. Here is the jumpsuit. I actually really like it. It's cute. We got the girls sitting nice. This is with no bra at all. And then also, you can't adjust the strap. So the fact that it fits tight is perfect for me, because you don't want your boobs to be sagging. And I got this in a size 10. and it actually fits really good. Like even down here, obviously I'm smaller down here, but it's still, and then these are pants, so you can like be comfortable. Yeah, I'm really liking this. I would definitely wear this with some heels, some black like strapped up heels, just because the leg part. Oh, baby, yeah. This one is really, really cute. And I told you I was on my like animal print, you know. I told you I was on my animal print hunt. And so I got this like snake skin looking dress. And y'all, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. I hate that we're on quarantine. I can't even go nowhere in this, but it's so cute. And then it's kind of like scrunchy on the sides, and on the bottom it has like a ripply effect thing going on. I think this one is my favorite one by far, for sure. The only reason why I'm not going on a date is because it's quarantine. Other than that, I would definitely be at Ruched pulling up, you know. Okay, so this is the last actual dress that I ordered, and this one is also cheetah print, and it is so cute. I thought the snake one was my favorite, but I think this one is my favorite one. It has the ruffles in the front, so it's kind of like the shirt, that pink shirt that I tried on, but these are in the front, and you can tie them or you can leave them not tied. So yeah, this is cute. This is really, 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 really cute. I think this one is my favorite now. Like, I know I keep saying that everything's my favorite, but this one is for real my favorite. I think I ordered this in a size 10 as well, and it fits perfect. It is a little tight, but you kind of want this type of dress to be tight just because, you know, it's like a sexy date night slinky-ish type of dress. So you want this one to fit you, you know, to snug the hips. Alrighty guys, so this is it for my try on haul. I ordered 2 more things, but I'm not gonna try those on because they're shoes. There's some heels that I ordered that are really, really cute. I'm actually gonna take a picture in them and I'm gonna upload on my Instagram, so make sure you guys follow me on Instagram so that you can see my pictures. Let me know that you come from my, let me know on Instagram that you've come from my YouTube page, because I will follow you back. And the other thing that I also bought was a black jacket. It's more so like a black blue jean jacket, but I wanted it to be crop top. It came long, so I cut it in half. And then I put it in the washing machine so it's super wet. I'm gonna put it in the dryer so that the little strands can come out, and it could be like a little cute jacket. It's like a little DIY. I did it to one of my blue jean jackets and it turned out really, really cute, so I did it to this one as well. But yeah, y'all, so that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I'm gonna keep ordering things from Prettylittlething because it's now one of my most favorite websites. So I'm gonna be doing more try-on hauls for you guys. If you like this video, give it a big, big, big thumbs up. Also, go ahead and hit that bell so that you can get notified every time I post. I am gonna be doing better with posting because I've been sucking lately. This quarantine making me lazy and fat and tired and just but I'm definitely gonna be posting more, so make sure you also subscribe to my YouTube channel. That way we can become a family. And yeah, thank you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Peace.